guys, I'll be there in a minute. Hi guys, welcome back to the Westy Bears, and thank you so much for watching all of our videos and so much for supporting us. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So what we're going to be doing today is making our own volcanoes. So these are all of the things that you will be needing. Mother's teaspoon. Ooh, she likes a cup of tea. Some sodium hydrogen carbonate. I don't know. Sand. Ugh. From Black Bull Beach.
Ugh, disgusting.
And some vinegar, you know, the stuff that you put on your fish and chips. And some gargles. So what we're going to do is fill up the volcano with vinegar to 2/3 full. That's good enough. Yeah, that's perfect. So next what you have to do is get some of the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Oh, that reminds me of Coke and Mentos. Oh, wow. The whole place stinks of vinegar. I feel like I'm in a chip shop. So make sure to hit the notification bell so that you never miss one of our uploads. And hey, here's a few facts about volcanoes. The word volcano comes from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. When the volcano Mount St. Helens blew up, it was as powerful as 2,000 nuclear bombs.